Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Tucson battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Before touching anything, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged. You will need a 10 mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and a new battery. Begin by locating the battery and using your wrench to loosen and remove the negative terminal cable. Once the negative cable is safely out of the way, proceed to disconnect the positive battery cable. Next, locate the battery hold-down clamp, which usually secures the battery with a 13 mm bolt. Loosen and remove this clamp completely. With the cables and clamp removed, carefully lift the old battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so lift with your legs. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors. Use a wire brush to remove any corrosion or debris. Now, carefully lower your new battery into the tray, making sure it sits flat and securely. Reinstall the hold-down clamp, tightening it firmly to prevent movement. Finally, connect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal, ensuring it is snug. To complete the installation, connect the negative battery cable to the negative terminal and tighten it firmly. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and won't vibrate loose. For added protection against corrosion, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prolong battery life and maintain good electrical contact. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Start your Tucson and enjoy your new battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.